Welcome back to the Energy Professor. This video is your complete guide to finding out what type of maintenance is needed for solar panels. Generally, solar panels require minimal upkeep. Simply keeping them clean from dirt and debris will make sure that they work how they're supposed to. Solar panel cleaning may also involve removing anything that blocks sunlight, like overgrown trees or branches from nearby trees that may block your solar panels from getting light. We'll go into this and so much more in today's video. Here at the Energy Professor, we want to give you information you need to not only save money on your electric bill, but to also become more energy efficient. We hope you find this video helpful and it makes it easier for you to know more about solar panel maintenance. Be sure to also check out our one-of-a-kind energy savings calculator over at theenergyprofessor.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. If you're considering installing a solar panel system or you already have one, it's important to know that solar maintenance is a necessary step to ensure your panel output is maximized, giving you the most energy possible. You should perform a maintenance check on your panels around 2 to 4 times a year, depending on the type of environment you live in. For example, if you live in an area prone to dust or surrounded by trees, more frequent cleanings may be necessary. For a more specific time frame for your solar panel system cleanings, it's always best to refer to your owner's manual, as systems will vary on maintenance guidelines and you'll want to avoid any repairs. If you can, try to perform your solar cleanings in the spring or fall. This is typically the best time for cleanings since the panels will develop more dust and debris. Fall is especially an ideal time to clean your panels due to any foliage buildup that would be on your roof. While you can perform these cleanings yourself, we highly recommend hiring a professional to perform an annual inspection and a cleaning to ensure your system is in working order. It's also important to keep a close eye on the energy output of your solar panels. If you start to see a prolonged drop in production, it's a sign you need to service your solar system. If your panels are older, a decrease in performance can also mean it's a sign a replacement is necessary and not just a cleaning. But any drop off on a newer panel system is more likely to come from dirt or an obstruction on the panel. But how much exactly does a solar panel maintenance cost? Thankfully, system warranties can cover some of the solar panel maintenance cost with performance guarantees. While cleaning your panels may be an easy DIY activity, we highly recommend getting a professional annual inspection and a cleaning 2 times per year. But unfortunately, a professional cleaning will be an out-of-pocket cost. This can cost anywhere from $150 to $300 for the entire year. If you also want a professional to do your solar annual inspection, which again we highly recommend, you can expect that to cost around $150 as well. If you are adamant in doing a DIY cleaning, let us tell you the best way to clean your solar panel system yourself, and that simply is just using water and a soft sponge or a cloth to clean away any dirt, dust, and any debris that can build up on your system over time. Treat your panels like you would with any other glass in your house. Dry them like you would with your windows. Use a squeegee to avoid leaving any residue behind. Now, given this information, let's talk about how long a solar system panel actually lasts. On average, most systems are made to last 25 years or more. Most often than not, this is a leading reason why homeowners decide to save energy with a solar system. In addition to decades of effective performance, many solar manufacturers back their products with performance guarantees and warranties. Take the Tesla solar system, for example. They offer a 25-year warranty on all of their panels, which, given the lifespan we just talked about, basically means you're covered for life. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you're looking for more ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. And if you're looking to save money on your energy bill, head over to theenergyprofessor.com and use our one-of-a-kind energy savings calculator to instantly see how much you could be saving each month in energy costs. As always, happy savings, and we'll see you on the next video.